This video will show how to remove a control button or switch from a Salvajor control panel. To begin, make sure power is shut off to the control panel. Note, if the control panel has a line disconnect, it must be turned to the off position for the panel cover to open. Next, remove the screws holding the panel shut and open the panel door. Insert a screwdriver into the notch on the contact harness and pry up. The harness will pop off, exposing the button or switch assembly. Now, remove the plastic lock nut and slide the button and gasket out of the door. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.